This is the Fitbit Charge 6, the fitness tracker that promises to keep you charged, tracked, and ready to move. The company claims it will change how you monitor your health and workouts. But after wearing it for a week, I found something they don't tell you in the ads. Stay tuned to find out if it's worth your hard-earned cash or if you're better off waiting for the next big thing. Fitbit Charge 6 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Fitbit Charge 6 is the latest fitness band from Fitbit, now under the Google LLC umbrella. It launched in October 2023 and is designed for folks who want serious health tracking without the bulk or price tag of a full smartwatch. The selling pitch? All the key fitness and health metrics, heart rate, sleep, workouts, wrapped up in a slim form, with bonus smarts like Google Wallet and Maps. If you're someone who exercises, tracks sleep, and wants good battery life, but you don't care about full apps or huge screens, this is clearly aimed at you. Fitbit Charge 6 Performance. So, okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in the real world? I logged workouts, wore it day and night, and used it for everyday tasks. Here's the lowdown. Firstly, the heart rate tracking impressed me. Fitbit claims up to 60% more accurate heart rate tracking during vigorous activities like HIIT. In my experience, during a few runs and gym sessions, the readings held up well. Reviews point out that off-the-shelf chest straps gave only small deviations. Battery life? On the good side, with moderate use and no always-on display, I easily got 4 to 5 days on a single charge. Reviewers say up to 7 days is possible under light use. But crank up that always-on display or use GPS heavily, and battery life drops significantly. So yes, it performs well, but it's a tune your usage situation. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the Charge 6 stand out and why you should care. Advanced heart rate plus ECG and EDA sensors. This isn't just heart rate during a walk. We're talking ECG, electro heart signal, monitoring, and EDA, electrodermal activity scan for stress. This gives you deeper insights into your health. For you, this means you're not just tracking steps, you're getting actionable data about your body status. Built-in GPS. No phone needed for tracking runs or rides. You can leave your phone behind and get real-time location tracking. Why this matters? You want freedom to move. That said, and we'll dig into this in the cons, the GPS isn't perfect. Google integration, Wallet, Maps, and YouTube Music. So because Google now owns Fitbit, you get things like Google Wallet for tap to pay, Google Maps directions right from your wrist, and YouTube Music control. So if you're already in the Google ecosystem, this band plays nice and feels more smartwatch-light than many trackers. Design and build. Aesthetically, Fitbit nailed the comfort side. It uses an aluminum case and a silicone band, plus recycled material elements. The fit is slim and the weight is barely noticeable. I found I barely noticed it at night or during longer hangouts. That's a win. But let's be realistic. The display is small. Compared to full smartwatches, you won't get fancy complications, big crisp text, or elaborate faces. Some users even report the watch faces look downright ugly and nearly unusable. The side button is on the left side, unusual choice, which felt a bit weird, and yes, the bezels around the screen are still relatively thick. Pros. Outstanding comfort, wearable 24/7 without bulk. Top-tier heart rate plus health sensors, ECG, EDA, SpO2 for a band at this price. Good battery life with moderate use, and smart integration with Google services. Excellent value for the features offered compared to full smartwatches. Cons. GPS accuracy is hit or miss, not ideal for dedicated runners. The screen is small, and some UI navigation, race to wake, metric viewing, feels cumbersome. Many advanced insights, daily readiness, deeper sleep analytics require a paid subscription, Fitbit Premium. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth it? If you're a fitness-minded person aged 20 to 45 who wants solid health tracking, comfortable all-day wear, and smart features without paying smartwatch prices, the Fitbit Charge 6 is a strong choice. If you mainly care about steps, sleep, and heart rate monitoring, this band gives you a lot of value. On the flip side, if you're a serious athlete needing ultra-precise GPS tracking, or you want full apps on your wrist, bigger screen, offline music, etc., you might be better off investing in a full smartwatch like a Garmin or Apple Watch.